Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this video, we will be talking about ticker symbol GPS because of the breakout pattern I detected. You can see in the pictures, but I will go in depth about this stock, the recent price movement, and also how can we play some options and we can get some quick gain using some call option opportunity. With that, let's go back to our chart. And before that, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot to grow my channel faster because I have a goal of having 1000 subscribers within this month, and currently we are around 640, but you guys are helping me, I know, and thank you very much for that. Also, in the description box I have a Twitter link. I also have some other links. If you want, you can go and follow me over there as well. Okay, so let's start. So this is the gap stock, which is a ticker symbol GPS, and I'm showing you a daily chart, and you can see a breakout pattern on a daily candle. I also want to show you quickly on a weekly candle how it looks. Even on a weekly candle, you can see like how we are forming. We had back-to-back 3 weeks, then we had a red wick, then again we are going up. So let's look at a daily chart. So it looks like we went up to 26, then we came down, we tried to go up, came down, and for last 1 2 3 4 trading days we are pushing higher. And one important thing is to see the candle for last Friday, because last Friday most of the stocks were selling end of the day, but that stock held very strong, and you can see the candle is pushing up. There is no wick at the top, so it gives you a good strength, and I think after hour this stock is also up. Anyway, look at the last earning. So the earning was bad and the stock came massively downside. But what happened before the run up, before the earning, like you see a run up before the earning was not bad, but you can see like if there is a miss, then it comes down, then it came down, and again it is trying to go up. The next earning is 4th of March as per trading view, and maybe just before the earning you can see there will be more higher side. Maybe it can go to 26 $27, and after earning who knows, but before the earning you can get some profit. I will not go through the company because you know all of this brand, but normally GPS they have Gap, Old Navy, again Gap, then Banana Republic, and Athleta. So I'm not going through their financial and everything because this video is about a breakout pattern so that we can get some quick profit. If we go to Nasdaq, then you can see the average rating is buy, and you can see all the name Jeffries, Morgan, yeah, it's all big names with an average price target of 25.89 with a high of 30 with a low of 22. Currently we are sitting around 22.6, so you see there is an upside for this particular stock. Also, I want to quickly show you the last earning. You see the red and the bubble, not bad, but again whenever it is missed, and sometime when there is no future direction, like people react a lot. Sometime before the earning we see a hype, and when the actual earning comes, then we see a drop down. So I'm not going through the earning results and everything, but just want to show you what happened last time and what we are anticipating soon. So also let's look at last 3 days of trading action. So February 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this on a 5-minute candle. You can see on 2nd we held up, on 4th we started really high, we went up, then we tried to consolidate again. The next day we started higher, we tried to consolidate, and end of the day we came down and we tried to go up. After market it is also up. So last 3 trading days the chart tells me like there is a strong buyers signal, so this thing will go up in next few days. So let's draw some support and resistance, and then I think we can move to option play opportunity. So some of the lines I would say 1 2 3. Okay, why I'm showing a couple of lines, I think this is one. You can see so many wicks and body of the candle touching this line, and I think yesterday we ended around this particular line. The other one is the top of that big red candle on a daily chart, which is around 21.5, you can say, You can see this one, this one, this one. Here is 2, the body of the candle, so many. So this line is also very important, and at the bottom we have 19.1, so that's the bottom. So what I'm saying, look at the support and resistance for this particular one. Also look at how far it can go. It's very hard to tell how far it can go, but maybe I'll just draw some lines. I can draw some lines. So that's the top, $27. Then that is another one around 24.8 or $25. Okay, and 23.51. Currently we are around 22.65. I wanted to buy on Friday afternoon, but end of the day I saw many stocks were selling and I thought maybe it might come down. Maybe it's better to wait till Monday morning. So I did not enter into that particular stock, but I see the stock is very bullish. So what will happen on Monday morning? If there is a run up, I will wait for the dip, and if there is a dip, I will just buy the stock. So 22.65 is a line. Then if it comes back to 21.5, definitely go in. I think it will not come to 19.1 anyway. So the other thing is, if you're playing with shares, definitely then these are the support and resistance. If you want to play with option, I want to show you some option and some expiry date and everything. So let's say for this particular stock, if you choose let's choose something June. So you will have a lot of time, 133 days to expire. The volatility is only 59%, nothing. So if you want to give the stock like 5 months, let's say, and you see the premium is not that expensive for 22 or 23 strike price, the premium is only $300. Okay, so this is for June. You have a lot of month in your hand, and the premium is $300 for 23 strike price. The delta is not bad, 56, and also the gamma. The good thing with long expiry date option play is, because let's say you entered here and the stock came down, there is always an opportunity that you can always buy the same call option at a cheaper price. So basically the same concept as average down. So let's say you bought it $300, the stock came around $21, so your option premium is, let's say, now $200. You buy another one, so your average is like 250, and you know, like, this stock will go up before the earnings, so always you can gain profit. I tried that many times, but keep that in mind. This kind of average down concept is good when you have your expiry date way far. But normally if you have an out of the money call, your expiry is next week, do not try this, because maybe you will lose every money. Not average down, maybe you will lose the previous call option money, also the new one. So whenever you have a long expiry date, you can try this. If you do not want to wait till June, then maybe you can look at 19th of March, and the premiums are even less expensive. Let's say for 1323 strike price, the premium is only $180, so your break even is 24.8. Looking at the chart, it looks like by March 19th it will go up to $25, most likely before the earning. At least the earning is on March 4th, and we are talking about March 19th. If you want to play a little, maybe March 12th, and not that one. But normally when there's a monthly expiry date of call, like 19th of February, 19th of March, 16th of April, those are monthly expiry. You will see more volume, more liquid, those kind of options. So it's really easy to get in and get out. But if you choose some other weekly expiry date, sometimes you will find less buyer and seller, and you will also notice there is a big gap between the ask and bid. For those kind of stock, it's very hard to sell at your desired price. That is why for call option or put option, I always go with monthly expiry date, because it's easy, they are more liquid. Anyway, so you got the point what I was trying to say. So whatever you choose, like, you can choose with share, you can choose with call option, it's entirely up to you. These are my thoughts, but do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. And again, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening. Peace.